Hello everyone. What we have here today is the Abus EC750 Extra Classe. Trying to get it with no glare. There we go. Let's see if I can get some focus on our key bitting. Alright. Yeah. With the iPhone camera, every time I want to focus, like say I want to focus on this, I have to tap the screen while it's looking at that, and it will never autofocus back on what I want, so I have to tap the screen and refocus it. It's really a terrible way to get video, but work with what you got, right? All right. Alright, a little bit of a false set, and I might not be able to get my pick out of this without losing my false set. There we go. And I just heard something else pop up. That would have been my open right there, but I had two more pins pop up. Oh, just had it happen again. Alright, just gotta hunt down these pins. Just overset that one. And there we go. Alright, now to gut this beast. Yeah, it took about twice as long as it should. I kept losing my pins as I would set one, another one would pop up. And we do have a key, so go ahead and lock it back up. Let me spin this way. There it is. Knew I had a good shim somewhere. Oh. These are our control pins, or key control pins. These are our key pins. You can see they're all in there. And they all had to be picked. Alright, let's focus back down here. Yeah, that really took way too long. Could have done that in about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, I think, without all the constant pin dropping, well, popping. But such is life, and this was a really fun lock. Once you get a good look at these pins, I think you'll realize why. I'm going to orient these the way they interact with the pins, as always. I think I got those upside down. Whoop. All right. Here we go, guys. Give you a real good close-up. That is the Abus EC750 Extra Classe. And oh, what fun it is. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. Here, let me see if the focus is better without the zoom. Yeah. Alright. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. And thank you, Tony S., for this lock. Lots of fun, man. Sorry it took me so long to get to it. But I really do appreciate it. It's been a ton of fun. And I'll talk to you soon. Everybody else, have a wonderful time. See you later.